Paparapapam,
Feliz Navidad,
paparapapam,
Feliz Navidad,
prospero año, felicidad. Mabuhay! From the heart of Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, we extend the warmest greetings from the future generation, Philippine International School.
during this special time of year, we are reminded of the importance of community and hope.
It is our sincere wish that your holiday is filled with joy, peace, and moments of genuine connection.
Sa ating lahat ng mga Pilipino dito sa buong mundo,
Mula sa inyong pamilya dito sa KSA, maligayang Pasko at mahigong bagong taon. One core, one family, one futurista.